Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today is Wednesday. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, mamaya later mag-haul ako kasi may darating akong package from Victoria's Secret. Actually, in-order ko yun online. Dapat hindi siya online. Kasi yung sister-in-law ko, may binigay siya sa aking gift card from Victoria's Secret worth $60. So, last week o last Sunday, nagpunta kami ng mall. Trinay ko, tumingin-tingin kung anong pwedeng bilhin dun sa $60. So, tumingin ako ng mga undies, medyo mahal. So, tumingin naman ako ng mga pabango naman kasi or yung cologne nila, hindi ako mahilig sa cologne dahil nga si Sia may asthma. So, once na nakaamoy ng pabango yun, sinusumpong na yung asthma. So, from that time, nung malaman ko may asthma na yung anak ko, tinanggal ko na lahat ng perfume ko. So, yun. Siguro hanggang sa ma-outgrow niya na lang yung asthma, saka ko na lang pwedeng ibalik yung perfume. And then, so yun na nga. Antayin ko lang yung package. Tapos, mag-haul tayo mamaya. Lahat ng mga binili ko online. So, mga beauty products yun. Yun, mga mura lang kasi. Kaya, yun ang in-order ko para dun sa $60, medyo marami yung mabili ko. So, ngayon, magkakape muna ako, guys, ha. Ito yung kapeng gamit ko. MX3. Ito yung may mangosteen extract. Tama ba? Yeah, may mangosteen. Masarap siya. Nilalagyan ko lang ng konting, dinadagdagan ko ng konting creamer pa kasi medyo mapait pagka wala. Tapos, kwentuhan muna tayo sandali. Dito sa bahay, yung typical na Filipino family, actually extended family. Ilan kami dito? Ilang family kami dito? Kasi kasama namin yung parents ko, dalawang brother ko, pati yung mga asawa sa kaanak nila. So, yun. Ilang families kami dito? 4 families. So, kaya minsan nagtataka kayo, guys. Marami akong niluluto. Kasi that's good for 4 families. So, ganyan kami every morning ni Sia. Nanunood muna siya. Pinapayagan ko siyang manood sa cellphone or any gadget habang nagluluto ako. So, yun lang naman siguro. Mga 30 minutes, pero yun lang yung time niya na manood sa gadget. Sige, luto na tayo, guys. So, ito na ingredients natin for miswa. So, guys, narinig namin yung ice cream truck. Ay! Where did it go? There. So, narinig namin yung ice cream truck ko. Hindi yan nag-aantay. There, oh, yung ice cream truck. Go! What do you want? Huh? Which one? Which one? Asan? Where? Ito? This one? Ayaw mo ng minion? Can I get 1 minion and 1 of them? lamig. Siya, oh, excited, oh. Siya. Hold this one, nak. And this one, for Ian. Ang lakas ng hangin. So, ayun na, pakita mo na. Pakita mo. Wow! Don't run. Don't run na. So, ayan o. Kagigising lang namin ni Sia. 7 o'clock. Check namin yung mail.
Where's so cloudy?
Oh, check mo yung mail na. Dili. Meron? Wow, ayun na.
Mommy, what is that?
Kay mami to. Ito yung naantay ni mami. Hawak mo, ah. You hold this one.
Mommy, what's inside here? What's inside?
Halika na. Let's go. So, ayan na yung package ko, guys, na inaantay from Victoria's Secret. So, guys, ito yung sinasabi ko na card na bigay sa akin ng sister-in-law ko. So, welcome back, guys. So, ito na yung package na inaantay ko from Victoria's Secret.
What's inside?
Makeup.
Makeup? Ano makeup?
Kay mami.
Wala ako eh. Meron ko pa din.
Meron ka din? Asan yung makeup mo?
Here. Here is. Here. Whoa, I see it now. Mommy.
So, ito na, guys, yung mga Victoria's Secret products na
Mommy,
inaantay
it's
ko.
open. Then there's more. Mommy, like that. Like that. Like that. Ganun mo na nga.
So, ito yung order summary.
Kapag kung ganun mo lang, Mommy. Ganun mo lang.
Excited na ako, guys, ah.
Woo!
Mga lip tint.
Woo! Mama, I see it. Mama, I see it.
Yes!
It's really hard to know. And this, and this.
So, ito, tatlong facial mask yung binili ko.
This is, what is this?
Umpisahan natin yung...
This is for it.
Mas excited pa sa akin kasi mahilig to sa ano eh. Mahilig sa makeup.
Makeup. Apple Q-Tex.
Oh, yun. O, kita nyo. May nail polish pa. May cutex pa daw siya. Check natin to.
There's blue check. Woo! Oh, there's something inside.
Yeah. So, ito, yung packaging nila.
Woo! Oh, what is this?
Lip tint. Lipstick. No, don't open it, nak.
What's inside? Let me see.
So, ito yung...
Mommy, let me see it.
velvet matte.
Mommy,
Kita nyo?
Mommy, papakita.
See?
Mommy, what's inside?
So, ang color nito, ano ba kung kinuha ko?
Am I gonna cut this?
Magnetic. Magnetic nga ba to? So, it's $14.
$14. Then this one is two. This stick too.
Pero nakuha ko lang siya ng $5. Kasi sale siya eh.
Mommy, why you got lipstick? That's one another one.
Yes. Let's try another one.
Then refill. Let me see. Guys.
Naunod pa
Whoa!
talaga sa akin.
Mommy! And what is this?
So, ito naman yung hindi ko na matandaan yung in-order ko.
What's this? Mommy, what is this, Mommy?
So, yan yung
And what is this?
lip liner na pink dust.
That's the fireball.
So, ito yung lip liner na ano din siya? Tawag dito? Velvet line. So, ayan o. Pink dust.
That's
Wait na. Basa niyo ba? Pink dust.
I'm gonna see. Let's see. Oh. And next one, another one.
Another one. Sabi ni Sia.
No, no way. Mommy, open like that. Whoa, it's more with this boss.
See, ito naman ay love. Yung kanina ito, magnetic, yung unang binuksan natin. And then next is love. Lip tint lahat to, guys.
I'm just
Ako na yun nakasave up.
next one, another one.
Yes, another one.
Pop tree.
Ha?
Pop tree. Whoa, let me open it, Mommy.
So, gagawa ako ng another video para sa try-on nitong mga lip tint na binili natin. Sige, pakita mo. Hindi naman nila nakita eh. So, ito, medyo parang nasa nude side yung color niya.
Color?
Yes. Lip tint pa rin siya. Adored.
I'm gonna
Velvet matte. Adored. See?
You see it?
Yes, they see it.
What's another one? Let's go open another one. Let's go open another one, Mommy.
Yes na. Wait lang.
Next
Dalawa
one.
lang kamay ni Mami.
No. It's... Hello. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Mommy!
So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong facial mask. Wait. So, yan. Detox time with charcoal. So, may charcoal to.
What?
By Pink.
By pink?
Ng Victoria's Secret.
Okay.
Okay. So, mag-video din ako na tatry natin tong facial mask na to. Kita nyo guys, detox time. With charcoal yan.
With charcoal.
So, maggagawa ako ng ibang video
So, when
na
you do your
itatry
makeup?
natin to. Yes, nak.
One. and no, that's one.
Last one.
Oh wow, just another one.
Yes. Facial mask pa rin na. So, ito naman yung whipped coconut oil nourishing face mask.
Ano sabi mo, Coco?
Coco. So, ito guys yung
Diba dun sa movie yun?
whipped cocoa by Pink pa rin.
By pink?
Coconut oil
By pink.
nourishing face
By
mask.
pink. By pink. By pink.
So, gagawa rin tayo ng video trying this one. Okay. So, yun lang guys na